Hey guys, Average Joe here with you again. I want to install this Olpro car headrest tablet table mount holder. So you can kind of put an iPad or whatever other kind of thing you want in there. We're hoping that it's going to let us install it with the case still being on the tablet, because that makes it easier when we're loading kids up and out of the car. So I'm gonna open this up and show you what's inside. Here's the holder, and it has a little connector on the back there that you'll pop the little socket into. This little socket right here. So take these out. This hooks onto the back of the headrest, as you can see right there, the little headrest. And it's universal, so it'll fit any car. There's just one with these types of headrests. You may have seen another video where I had a Volvo one, so that they're not the same, but we're gonna hook it up and see how it works. All right, just to point out real quick, it's important that when you put this on here, these are just gonna hook on, you're gonna tighten them up, that this be facing up. You see this little swivel? This needs to be facing this way rather than turned around down that way, okay? Unless that really makes better for your particular car. You can go like this, and it can be swiveling up and down for you to use the iPad that way, or this way. You're gonna find out which works best for you. In this particular car, this is the way we're gonna do it here, because it won't be so low. All right, piece is fixed on there. Again, we just tighten these always to the right. Righty-tighty, lefty-loosey is what the saying is. So righty-tight, and then you can adjust this different thing. You can undo this here and adjust this up and down like that. Tighten it up to the spot you want. Same thing here. You can adjust this guy, move this around, and you can see this has like little grooves on it right here. Okay, those go into there, and then once you have put it on there, you need to snap it into place. It takes a little bit of pressure, so be careful. And then how you move this thing up and down is you can loosen this guy right here, okay? And it'll let you move this guy up and down to fit whichever you like. And so I'm gonna put it on there. I'm gonna get an iPad that has a case on it to see how well it holds. Just before I put this iPad on, I'm gonna show you, here's the little flap, the little lever. This is what you clip tight to hold it tight so it doesn't move up and down any longer. So if you wanna move it, just pop it out, up and down you go, okay? And then once you got it in place, you just clip it tight. All right, pretty simple. All right, so as you can see, this one has a case. This is an iPad mini, and this one has a case on it. So you can see this it kind of adheres to the part of the case. Obviously, you could take the tablet itself out and use that to do that, but we're talking about convenience for some smaller kids, not having to take it out of the case each time. So this just tightens up, and again, there's that little flap on the back I showed you before where you can adjust this up and down, and then you must squeeze that flap tight to make sure that it holds in place. But hey, so that's pretty good. That's pretty pretty good holding so far. So you hear my neighbor mowing. But yeah, so far so good. They're only like about 15 bucks on Amazon, so we put in the other one over there on that side, and we got two little kids here so they can enjoy the little iPad action. And I went ahead and some people might put a the little headphone in. I got some wireless ones, just for, you can find these online pretty cheap, some Bluetooth ones, and hook it up, and that way you've got everything you need inside your car. All right guys, subscribe if you like, take care, comment with any questions.